What's going on, YouTube? Glad to see you made it back. It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. Today, I got some exciting and helpful gadgets from a company you might not have heard from. SmallRig. Let's unbox them, check them out. All these products I got in here are from SmallRig. We're going to start with this one first. I believe this is the cage. Now this setup that I got is for the Canon EOS M50. So nice branded bag, SmallRig. QR code card, service. Alright, so this is the SmallRig cage, like I said, for the Canon EOS M50. This has got so many mounting options and accessories that you can add to this. 1/4 inch threaded holes, 3/8. And it also gives you unobstructed entry here to your battery, your SD card, plus your side ports for HDMI and stuff like that, camera, or your microphone. That's pretty cool. Super CNC cut technology, and it's ergonomic. It's very versatile, quick switching. So, there's no rubber pad here for your camera though. Disappointed not to see that there. But let's open up the next one. Once again, this one's from SmallRig also. Alright. This one here is accessory, bolts on. Another QR code for service. Came with an Allen wrench, pretty nice. This one here has got rubber grip on the inside. I can feel that already. It's nice, expandable, spring loaded. 2/4 inch threads here, thread right down in there. This one here has also got thread holes on the top and the bottom for other mounts. But this is for a battery power bank. To keep your battery charged and or to run your camera off of, and you can mount it off the side, off the bottom, however you want. The SmallRig safety rail, it's got spring-loaded pins, and you can slide attachments on or off and then tighten them down. Also branded SmallRig. This is all very lightweight. This one also came with another Allen wrench and the bolts for it. So, we'll get this bad boy put on, and hopefully I got a lot more options with it now. Okay, we have all the pieces here, so let's go ahead and get it all put together real quick. Cage put on first. I think to have a little bit of a better view here, I'm going to go ahead and move this microphone a little bit here. That out of the way. I'm going to go dead top center here with this handle. Got a little bit of adjustment on the bolt pattern. It's got sliders on the handle anyway. Nice and easier to carry. Alright, let's put Put the hard drive slash battery pack holder over here. This is where I want it. Slip that bad boy in there. Awesome. So you can see there's plenty of mounting options. Another cold shoe mount, more mounts, more bolt plates. You can just really unlimited possibilities with this thing. But it's a little heavier now with everything on it, but probably not going to need it all the time with everything on it. But you never know. So, be sure to check them out. SmallRig. Pretty awesome. Anybody need an Allen wrench? Let me know. I got piles of them.